Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom icons to Power BI reports. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I like to use a website to get my icons. So this one's here from icons8.com and we can do a search. So basically I want to go ahead and get a dashboard icon. So you can see there's lots here to choose from. I might go ahead and select this one. Now basically I'm going to go ahead and click download. Now I'm going to choose the favicon and click on download. Now it should start downloading. Here it is here, it's downloaded. Okay, so from here, what we want to do is come back to my report tab here, and then we need to upload an image. So insert an image, sorry. So come over and click on the insert tab here, click onto image. And now to the right here, you're going to have image here. Now we need to choose style, click on image. We want to go ahead and upload and then browse for that image. So I'm going to go to my downloads. Here it is here. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. So now this is my custom icon. Now another thing what we can do is go ahead and create an action for this. So select it, click on toggle action on, and then we want to go ahead and type. I want to go to page navigation and then choose destination for my dashboard, and then I'm going to go ahead and just click back here. Now to use this, click on your keyboard control and click to follow it, and that should take us over to our dashboard like it has just done.